Hey everyone, it's Mike Andes here, and today we're talking about whether or not you should have a backpack blower or should you just go with a handheld version if you're getting your business off the ground. Now let's first talk about price, because these bad boys from Stihl are gonna run you about $700 for the BR800. That's the best, the newest, the best. Like, everything's fantastic. Now, what's really been popular for many years in the landscaping community, and what we use still to this day, is the BR600. These are $550. So we're looking between $550 all the way to $700 for a single unit. Now, this is the thing we gotta compare, is it worth the extra power that this brings compared to this unit? Obviously, you can tell this is not gonna be as powerful as the big backpack blower. But this one's only gonna cost you literally $129. I could buy 5 of these units for the price of this one. So the question is it worth it? Now, if you're gonna be doing larger commercial properties or big residential with massive driveways, it might be worth getting one of these bad boys because it's so much more powerful. But this is the thing, this is so nice and light. It's great for doing around flower beds, in and around bushes. I've had it before where you have this massive thing on your back. Like, look at the size of this thing. On your back, it's gonna be, number one, pretty fatiguing to work with, as well as hard to operate if you're trying to get through bushes. So sometimes having one of these, even if you have a backpack blower, is gonna be useful for property cleanups, getting around bushes, and overall, it's just easier to just like pop this out of the trailer and use it, versus this thing, I've gotta unclip it, put it on my back. It's heavy, a lot more operator wear and tear on this guy, which is probably about 3 times the weight compared to this one. But if you're gonna be doing massive commercial properties, parking lots, you want this bad boy. So we talked about price. This one's literally gonna be 4 to 5 times more expensive in comparison to the handheld versions. You do have slightly larger models like that are $200, so let's just call it 3 times the price for a model that's handheld versus the backpack blower. Now this is something to think about. What happens if you take 2 of these and you buy 2 of them for 130 bucks a pop or $200 a pop, and you use 2 at the same time? This might be useful if you're only doing 20, 30 lawns, you're working on the weekends, the evenings, you might be able to get away with just one of these. Now, the big comparison is obviously power. So one of the things you want to compare is CFM versus MPH, or cubic feet per minute. That's the volume of air that's coming out of this every single second, as well as the miles per hour. So how fast is the air? I kind of think about it like a motorbike. You can go super fast with a motorbike, but it's pretty light. If it hits a wall, it's gonna put a dent, might knock out a few bricks. But if I take a semi-truck, I might be going half the speed, but I'll make way more impact. So you can't necessarily just look at how fast in terms of miles per hour is this air coming out. You've gotta look, what's the volume of the air coming out, because that's really the balance of power. Because if you're trying to move wet leaves, you're gonna need something a little bit more heavy duty that has the volume to move a lot more debris on the ground. So cost-wise, this one's out, but if you need power, you're probably going with a backpack blower. If you're doing residential, small little properties, this might work for you. If you're doing lots of property cleanups, little cleanups around bushes and trimming, this might be a great fit for you. In the perfect world, you have one of these, even if you have these backpack blowers on your truck or trailer, so you can use them when the time is right. When you have a quick bounce out of the truck and blow something off, much, much lighter, a lot cheaper, and still something you can use even if you have a backpack blower on property cleanups.